Hey, welcome. This is problem set 5, and my name is Scott Hamlin. I've got my Jupyter page shared here, as you can see, and we start with problem 1, which basically we need to fill out the methods to build shift dictionary and apply the shift, these two right here. Actually, and just moving over, took out of there my actual code. I already, of course, I've already done it all and went through the hours of trying to figure it out. But I'll explain to you maybe some of the problems I had when I went through it as I type this up. But basically in this first step, I want to make a dictionary, given the shift argument, to take a regular dictionary that has lowercase letters and uppercase letters and shift them over by the amount that we get as an argument. So it was pretty fun to do that, trying to figure out what you wanted to work with. You have to return a dictionary. So however you manipulate this, you need to return a dictionary back. So with that said, I believe, let's check, make sure upstairs we got import string. You got to have import string if you're going to make this work. And I cannot remember if that was already included in this or not. I think it was. Pretty sure if you're going to use that, create that word list, probably had to have that. Okay, so in build shift, we want two. Before we go on, I'll try to make this. Oh, it's already 150%, so you should be able to see this. Upper, we want to make two variables, well, for me at least, and I want upper to be string ASCII uppercase, all right, and then I want another variable for lowercase. I guess you could probably put all this together, but it's just easier for me to think if I approached it one at a time. Okay, and then I want to make a new dictionary, and I want it to be empty. All right, and there are symbols for dictionary right there. And then I also want a counter, and I'm going to set that to 0. Okay, because that's going to allow me to maneuver between one dictionary and another dictionary, so that I can shift over a certain amount of spaces. Okay, so with that said, so for character in upper, okay, so now we're going to go, upper right now has all the uppercase letters A through Z. So we're going to go through that, and it's in alphabetical order. So we're going to go through each one. Now, if counter, and counter right now is at 0, plus the shift is greater than 0. So from the instructions we're giving, it's always going to shift the amount by which the shift every letter of the alphabet. The shift number is going to be positive. Okay, so let me see. Yeah, because we are, so our counter is 0, say our shift is 3, and that's good. So basically what we're looking for here is when we get to around 26, 25, 26, 20, whatever, anything that puts us over 26, okay, I think, let me see here. I gotta go through this in my mind again real quick here. Is greater than 0, which should be. Okay. All right. Well, your counter. Yeah, okay. Because, yeah, we're supposed to shift down. It's just kind of weird. Okay, yeah, it always can kind of confuse me. You have a build shift dictionary, and then you have the apply shift. So I guess I think you can almost do it all in one thing, but we did it all. And when I first made this, I had to go back and change it because I should have read apply more, and it does shift it down the alphabet. That's why, let me see. So, crypt message. Okay, so that's why if it's over 0, okay, new counter equals, yeah, we're shifting down the alphabet. So that's, I just want to try and get this in my head why I'm doing this next command again. I mean, I did this like a week or so ago, so I just have to get this in my head. So new counter, okay, that's another variable is going to equal our counter, okay, plus your shift minus 26. Okay, why are we doing this? Now it said shift down. Okay, so the shift integer is a positive integer. Creates a new, and when I looked at the thing, so it's shifting down the alphabet. So if I have a counter of 0 and my shift is only 1, okay, I do not want to be, and 1 would say that we want our next dictionary to be shifted down 1, okay? So what we're doing is, so your new counter is going to equal 1. I don't want the letter B, I want the letter A. So we're going to minus 26 from that, and that will take us all the way to, actually, if you're shifting 1, I don't want the letter A, it'll shift me all the way to 1 minus 26, and we negative, it's going to go back 25. Okay. I gotta think this out real quick. Sorry about this. New counter equals, because I tested the thing out, but then I shifted these things around, and I think I might have screwed that up. I think, yeah, you can go, yeah, because, yeah, that's right. If you go to a negative number, it's coming from the right-hand side, so that's fine, I think. I'm pretty sure this works. I can't remember. Okay, so that doesn't matter because I couldn't figure out the next problem, so I'm just gonna get this done. Else, new counter equals counter plus shift. Counter is greater than 0. Well, they all should be greater than, it's always going to be greater than 0. So what did I do? I said counter probably minus shift. It's probably minus shift. Counter minus the shift. There we go. Is greater than 0. The new counter equals, I don't know, I'm not going to change it. It doesn't matter. I get whatever I get. I can't even remember. This is why you wait too long to actually do this thing. Character, yeah, whatever. Upper. That's a fun assignment, but now the testing on this was difficult because you're inside these things. You have to outside things given to you, and I don't know. Couldn't test it effectively. I tested this part, and it worked just fine, but then I confused myself, and I'm not sure if this works now. You'll figure it out if it does or not. Counter, I already did that one. So this one, off on the counter. Yeah, you want to go back to 0 afterward. And then you're going to do basically the same. Lower. Yeah, oh, you know what? It's probably because, yeah, okay, and I understand. Lower is the first thing. Oh, I think I understand now why I did it. We're working with the upper, and the upper is the second half of this thing. I don't know. No, it's just two different strings. You know what? I didn't. No, yeah, I'm populating it. Yeah, that's populating for character and lower. I don't know how you watch all these. This is probably my worst video. Worse than last time. There, else. Counter. Counter. Plus shift. Then when you're done with that, you're going to populate it. That's what character's doing. You're taking the character and populating it, and finally you return shift dot dictionary. Yeah, just going over this. There, it's done. All right, now apply shift. This is where you're actually taking the shift and you're applying it. Needed a nod character. This is for the. Here's what we got to make sure we got. Basically, making sure that that the message part doesn't mess with our odd characters. Okay, odd character. Yeah, now we're going to build odd character. Okay. Each. Okay, see, so we use string punctuation. That has all the punctuations things. Okay, we're populating this list. Each in string, and we're going to do digits too. So that's 0 through 9. All right, odd character plus equal each. So odd. Here we're just going. Hey, you know what? Give me also add in the space. Add that in there. So come across a space. Oh, you know what? That's wrong. It should go like that. There we go. There we go. Then we got, now we're going to do crypto message. And we're just making a blank string, right? Then we're going to go message equals self. I believe that is how we get the message. I don't know. Could be. I couldn't test it. I don't know how to test it. That's about as much instruction as I got. Shift. So we're going to build this dictionary from self and the shift. That's using my other thing I made. Message. That builds your dictionary. Character and odd character, and this checks. And if it is in the odd character, we're not going to use our dictionary. We're just going to put that character into the message. And else. So it's not in there. We want a crypto message plus equal cipher. Using our cipher dictionary. And we're going to take whatever character and return the shift character. That goes through and it just works beautifully, and then you can return a crypto message. Okay, and that's what I did. And I went through problems 2, 3, and 4. I could not figure out, did not understand how to, I understand how this all works, but I don't understand the syntax of what these inheriteds mean. Does that mean I have to put self? Do these come automatically, or do I have to build it in each one? I have no idea. So that's it, and we're going to save it, and have a good day.